Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with shampoo and conditioner. These shampoos for blonde colored hair. My hair is black, but this is my daughter used this shampoo because her hair is blonde. This is Beachwaver'S Brb Blonde Purple Shampoo. This shampoo for blonde color hair. This is the blonde hair. My daughter has blonde hair, blonde purple shampoo. She used, this is the blonde hair. This shampoo eliminate brassy tones and brighten blonde hair. This shampoo, this has aroma which make aroma like nice smell. The aroma from Brazilian berry. This has hydroionic alpha bond which multiplies and make hair strength and stronger and more brighten hair structure. It has flour for nourished and shea butter for moisturizer the hair. Conditioner. Whenever we use conditioner to make our hair like more nice, soft and looking good. Conditioner, intensely moisturizing purple conditioner that eliminates brassy tones and brighten blondes. It mixed with coconut oil for conditioning, shea butter for moisturizer. This has no paraben, no sulfate. This made with vegan. We use shampoo for, like moisturize our hair and nourish. So we have to use like good condition shampoo or our hair would be like breakage and day by day our hair condition gonna be worst. So we have to be very careful and we have to select the good shampoo for our hair. So this is one of good shampoo. I will definitely recommend like who has blonde hair, they can use this one. This is really one of good shampoo and conditioner. Thank you for watching. If you like to see my video more, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.